Hello, this is a look at the Pioneer 4-channel. The model number is DM800A. This was made in Japan in the early 1970s, and it was an attempt from Pioneer to create a surround sound. And it's not the same surround sound that was came out in the 1990s and after. This basically what they're doing with the rear two speakers is just alternating the frequency a little bit from the front two to have a different sound, but it did create somewhat similar to a surround sound. They're pretty rare. This one is in very nice condition. When I got this, I powered it up and nothing happened, and then I checked the fuse at the back and the fuse was dead. So then I replaced the fuse, powered up again, and the fuse quickly blew. So I just took the fuse out and I never powered it up after that, because I think that would involve more of a qualified technician than I am. But this video will have a little look at this system, because I do have it up for sale on eBay right now. If you just do a search on eBay, and it's the same company, say hello, hello, you'll perhaps find it. So what we have here is that we have the front and the rear. You can turn your speakers A and B on and off for your front or rear speakers. If you wanted to have a look at just using the 2-channel, the inputs in the back will allow you to do that. Here you have your meter level, and what this would do was increase or decrease the swaying of the this arm here for your meters, or you can turn them right off. And then, which is nice on this one too, you have your input level, 0.5 volts, 1 volt, 2 volts, or 5 volts. This can correspond with whatever preamp that you're using. I did take the screws out for us to have a look at the internals of this. I'll just set this down here while I pull that off. Excuse me 1 second while I do that. Sorry about that. The insides are quite nice. Huge transformer, capacitors here, and they cage the these outputs here as well, which is quite nice. Everything is really well built. Here's your relay back here. Yeah, it does require those, the speakers have those special Pioneer plugs here back in the 70s. This also requires that. Anyways, cosmetically, it's in very good condition. Someone did put a coat of shellac. You can see here on this wood casing, real wood casing. Not my choice. I would have gone with an oil rub, but the shellac is nice as well. Just not something that I would have done. Yeah, so that's it. The Pioneer QM800A. Thank you so much for looking.